Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Apple iPad 5th generation white digitizer. So I have a customer that needs to do the replacement because their kids broke their glass digitizer or cracked it. So anyhow, let's go ahead and unbox this and show you guys what it look like. I believe this one comes with the tools and everything, so let's go ahead and get it started. So this comes with the tool set, prying tool, suction cup, and then two of the guitar pegs. So you need to put this keychain ring over the suction cup so you can pull it up. And come with it for this different tool. Please pentadol screw, flathead, Phillips, and maybe the tri-point. So this one is the digitizer right here, and it says made in China, and this comes with the home button installed already, which is good. So let's work for you guys. So unfortunately, this one doesn't come with the, oh yeah, it does. It's come with the double-sided tape. I need to peel this off. And here's a flex cable for the home button. And then it also comes with this camera, selfie camera frame. And here are the two connectors for the flex cable for your Digitizer Touch. Yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.